water work. So we're doing the hull, but we're doing it manually, so the boat is still in the water, because otherwise it's definitely not gonna sail fast enough. So there's Jip. We're almost finished, but I thought let's show you guys what it takes to do it in the water. Okay guys, and the shitty thing is, there's fire coral on the boat and little, how do you call it, stekeldingen, jellyfish, so we're getting stuck all over our bodies, that shit, but we do have earplugs, so to protect us a little bit. Okay, a little bit to go, and we're ready to sail to Bonaire. Bonaire, here we come. Just came out of the water, had a good shower, everything is itching. I've been stung on my lip by a jellyfish. Are you okay?
No, I'm scratchy all over the place.
Stretchy all over the place. So guys, wear earpieces when you're doing it, wear good goggles, wear gloves. Now we're on a sandwich with peanut butter, making a cup of soup. And remember, like, look, I have, how do you call it? A scratch from last week, but that's open again. So if you have that, take vinegar, because vinegar will kill every living thing in the water, like coral and stuff like that. So take vinegar, there you go. Make sure you're completely cleaning everything, scrubbing it. Yeah, that stings. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, I know that looks disgusting, but make sure everything is dead, guys, because you will regret it not doing it if it starts living in your body. Okay, we're gonna do the anchor, fill up the water, and anything else?
Have some food?
Have some food. Well, problem 267. We're checking the anchor line, and what do you reckon the anchor line, the chain is?
Well, the previous owner thought it was a good idea to paint the anchor line.
I can tell you something, guys. If anything is rusty, you can't ever paint it when it's going back in the water. Not working. So this is what we have to deal with. Check that out. So we've just noticed this anchor line, and guys, there's two options. Chip everything off. That's probably 50 meters of line. Let's get this chain back up and get ourselves a new anchor chain.
So we started the engine for the first time, but there was one thing. We noticed that the V-belt was a little bit too stretchy. So now we're gonna put a new one on.
How's it going, buddy?
Yeah, it's going crazy.
Yep, getting the last screw from the alternator out and then getting a new one. Awesome, buddy. Check this out, guys. New alternator here at the EK alternator shop in Curaçao. They have all the alternators. Install this and heading back home, guys. Stoked and awesome coffee. That's gonna go in, check out if the batteries will charge. Our electricity lesson has been quite difficult. There's more problems to the boat than we anticipated, and we have to renew the whole system. Are you looking forward to it, or?
Yeah, I'm curious. I've never done it before, so.
Okay, well, we're gonna totally rebuild the system. Check this out. Unfortunately, it's not just an alternator problem. There's also the two household batteries are completely dead. There's 2.8 in them, and no way to revive them. The starting battery has been changed. We also think that the diode splitter is broken. So what we're going to do, get these batteries out, connect the starter battery directly to the alternator. And then for the meantime, at least we have a little bit of energy as long as the engine is running. So let's get started. Yep.
Let's go.
Like a cat. It was a hard job, but we are so stoked. The first alternator that we bought was broken, so we put a second one in. How do we like that sound?
It's running like sun.
Can you show the people how much voltage it's gaining? Look at that, guys, 14.65. Woo! Finally electricity, we can check out if everything works. So switch on. I'm gonna turn the camera. Oh, actually I can see it like this. Okay, switch on the DC main. Sorry, they working. I want to see if the saloon lights work. Radio. Guys, we're gonna check out if the electricity works. We can finally check it out. Okay, and we also need to sport. So every day we do one celly up, one celly down. Here we go. Let's go. First time cooking in the boat, we just fixed the gas. We got a little bit of water, and what we're cooking, buddy?
Chicken with wraps and vegetables.
Look at that, we're making fajitas tonight, guys. First time cooking, it's a mess. It's a lot of work, this boat. We were checking out the water. Well, we got 2 leaking water pumps, so that's another bummer. There is one thing that we fixed today that Jip is gonna be very happy with.
Very important.
What is it?
The shower.
We fixed the shower today. We have water, lights, as you can see. Okay, we don't have warm water, but at least we have a shower.
It's a start.
It's a start. We have a shower. We have the drain that's working. Check that out. Jip's shower.
It's all mine.
All mine. I'm going to show you my shower. There we go. Jip, enjoy.
Thank you, thank you.
There we go. Okay, I need to, you can see, I need to do my room. but check that out. My little bathroom. So, well, there's a hole in the corner. I just did it with duct tape. So, it's still a mess. But you know what? It's my mess. So, I'm gonna take a shower. See you guys in the morning. Like real Dutchman, cheese and bread for lunch.
Today was a good day. We fixed the customs, the immigration went well, went super. And now we're gonna celebrate. So what are we gonna do, Andries?
Let's go to the aquarium.
Yes, you got a beautiful aquarium, we heard, on Curaca. So we're gonna see it.
Let's go. Well guys, we have to admit, Curaçao is beautiful. Check the water. Wow. Yep, I want this to be our new toy.
You gotta take it.
Dutch manufacturers, guys. Hey, Yip, you wanna go for a swim? Hell yeah. Yip, have you seen the ocean behind you?
Yes, I have.
That's our route to Bonaire. It's not gonna be a pleasant beautiful baby lure sharks in here. Some beautiful lobsters. Nice and wild. Also nice in the kitchen. Check those eyes. Man, what a beautiful creature. Jip just got the scare of his life. He looked through the window and what scared you?
It was a drone.
How big is that? That's huge. And of course the noisiest of the islands. Can't be missing out on the flamingos. It's the water tank on the right side. That's my guess. But we'll figure that out in the morning.